pleased to announce the birth of Defo. Announcing a birth. Announcing a death. Silence. And another scream. Silence. The sound of a scream. Silence. Announcing a birth. Silence. And another scream. Silence. Announcing a death. Tragically young. The pain of one day. The happiness of one day. Mixed into one November day.
If I wasn't for days late.
Why go?
Shouldn't have gone, but went anyway. Shouldn't have gone.
Another cup of tea?
Went anyway. Shouldn't have gone.
Why go?
Went anyway. Shouldn't have gone. Went anyway.
Another cup of tea?
Why go? Shouldn't have gone.
Why go?
Went anyway. Life.
Why go? Another cup of tea? Another cup of tea? Why go?
Breathe.
Why go? Why go?
Breathe.
Why go? Another cup of tea?
You can do
Another
it.
cup of tea?
Hold on. Breathe. You can do it. Hold on.
Breathe.
Go to the light. Breathe.
Don't go to the light.
Don't
go to the light. Don't go to the light.
Don't go to the light.
Don't go to the light.
Don't go finding out. So congratulations, finding out. Congratulations, sympathy. Congratulations, don't go to the light. Congratulations, finding out. Congratulations, sympathy. Congratulations, sympathy. Congratulations, thank you. So sorry. One day, family shouldn't have gone. One day, we had full of joy. Shouldn't have gone. We had sadness. And anyway.
I still see the day. As far as I was aware. It was a day like any other day. Still remember walking to my second class of the day. To get to the classroom, you had to walk by the school. That's when I saw my mum walking ahead. My mum works and I of course felt like something was wrong. As soon as I saw her, Grandma explained to me that Grandma had a reaction at the hospital involving an eye appointment. I felt nervous, but at the same time, I was reassured. As Mum seemed relaxed about the situation, and not visibly upset. So I went off to my lesson. Thinking about my grandma, of course. Not worrying too much. And Mum seemed so calm when I saw her. As the time got closer to go home, I had a sort of worrying feeling. As for me seeing it open meant that everything was normal. Longest walk home at everything was okay. Even though I was walking home at the sun was still shining at 3 p.m. It was still warm. If everything was normal, then the window would be open, as my mum would be at home already. As I walked over the crest of the hill, I saw my bedroom. The window was shut. Where I used to walk home from school, in that tiny room, I knew something was wrong. This particular day, I was hoping to walk home from that point. Normally it takes about 10 minutes, but on this day, it felt like I was never going to get home. When I finally did get home, I was greeted by my dad. The sun was still shining. Normally this time of the day, the sun was still shining at work. And it would be my mum would be in the kitchen. My dad told me that my grandma was in intensive care and that she might not get better. Perhaps I was in shock at that moment, as I didn't seem to react much at all at that stage. And it was only when I got upstairs and I was getting ready to go to the hospital, almost out of nowhere, from that point normally only takes a single tear escaped my eyes, started running down my cheek. When I finally did
arrived at the hospital, I remember being taken to a room where I saw my family
time of the day,
crying.
still be at work.
I saw my grandma was a much different person now to how she was earlier in the day. Talking to her, she remembered seeing in the dark, cold, empty feeling room that was the family room. I was taken through to see my grandma. This time it was like constant beeps of all the machines, but the only people alive were pretty much the only sound I could hear. Even through all the tears I shed as I came around the corner, I saw my grandma, holding my grandma's hand, talking to her if she was going to sit up and reply. I shed that day. As I got closer and closer, I remember the tears appearing once again. This time it was like a constant river, rather than a little stream. Even through all the tears I shed that day, I still remember the day with perfect clarity.